Welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria. I share practical farming tips that help you save costs, grow faster, earn more poultry farming. If that sounds like a goal, hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, because this one will boost your profit. Don't forget, behind my back is our animal feed machines. We have grinder, we have mixer, we have extruder, we have dryer, we have pelletizer. All these produce feed. For these ones, they produce for your floating feed for fish. For instance, you are a fish farmer, you will need this machine. So a quick one, we have pelletizer that produce for your chicken also.